What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to set parental control in Fortnite and how to turn off. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do guys, just log in on your Epic Games. I leave with this website in the description of video. When you open this site you will see here parental control. Click this. To set parental control you need to set 6-digit pin. Choose what you want. If you do that like me, just create a pin. If you see guys, we have successful create parental control pin. In this case, Epic Games payment. You can also check for your kids. Always recruit pin if your kids want to buy something on Epic Games. You can this check and you will get notification for your payment services. You can also change your pin in this general section. Scroll down here and you will see require pin to get new games. Rate above. You can set unrated or PG3. Just move it to unrated. Switch here to social permissions and you can see guys Epic Friends permission. You can check this also when someone add your kid on Epic Games in Fortnite, you will get this required pin. Scroll down here and you will see Epic Voice Chat permission. You can check it to nobody. Scroll down here, you can see also Epic Game Chat permission. You can set it on everybody or nobody. Move it here up to email and you can also set subscribe or unsubscribe and go here to Fortnite settings and you will see PG-12. Just go on Google and see what is PG-12. Scroll down here Fortnite Creative and Unreal Editor. You can also check this and mature languages, playtime tracking report, and that's it. This is if you want to set your parental control. If you don't want, just go here to parental control, tape your pin and go confirm. Go back here, when you tape your pin, you will see Epic Games payment. Just uncheck this all. Go here to social, uncheck this. And see guys, if you all settings like me, just turn it all off. When you do all like me, in general section, social, email and Fortnite settings, you will have no parental control. And that's it guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button, use my creator code in Fortnite, and I see you in next video. Bye guys.